Croeso I mynydd Paris ac I galon yr hen waith copper nath greu cyfoeth mawr amlwch ganrifoedd yr ôl. Mae'n lle ffantastig, os ydych chi rioed wedi bod yma, dowch am dro. Dwi yma achos dwi wedi bod yn Amlwch heddiw yma mewn cyfarfod efo cynrychiolwyr o gynghora cymuned a thre Gogledd Ynys a'r gweinidog economi o Lywodraeth Cymru Ken Skates, a hynny I drafod dyfodol economaidd Gogledd yr Ynys, yn enwedig yn sgil stopio cynllun Wilfa a cau ffatri Rehaw, a'r angen I symud ymlaen efo cyfres o gynlluniau all roi chwistrelliad o egni economaidd i'r ardal arbennig iawn yma. We had a very, very good meeting. I summed up what I think is needed in terms of 3 I's. 1, identification, identifying the north of the island as an area that needs particular help at this point in time, that needs to be the focus of strategic planning to strengthen the economy. Then you have incentivizing a business to invest here, either by perhaps making it an enterprise zone, by helping with business rate initiatives, by bringing businesses together, creating that kind of drive for renewed investment here. And thirdly, that investment word. We need investment, yes, from the private sector, from local businesses who want to grow, who want to develop, but we also need government, local and Welsh Government funding in order to make, little in some ways, larger investments in other ways, to give a new sustainability to the area, making sure that we have the right business premises, making sure that we do invest in tourism in places like mynydd Paris here, which is such a gem that makes this place unique and that can bring people here to spend their money. So it's a wonderful area. Mae'r ardal yma'n arbennig iawn, ond mae angen chydig bach o hwb mwyn sicrhau bod yna dyfodol cynaliadwy ar ei chyfer hi, a bod yr ardal yma'n ardal mae'n pobl ifanc ni isio rhoi greiddiau lawr ynddi hi, a magu plant nhw ac yn y blaen. Does na nunlla gwell, so ddim byd gwell na gallu rhoi greiddiau lawr yn eich cymuned eich hun, a mae hon yn un dra arbennig.